The leader of Independent Ireland says the party has made a significant and unmistakable impact over the last year as a credible voice for ordinary people. Michael Collins was speaking at the party's annual conference in Galway, where he told delegates that the scale of last week's fuel protests points to the growing strength of grassroots political engagement.
We believe the people of Ireland deserve representation.
Independent Ireland styles itself as the party of common sense and choice for change. Michael Collins said the recent fuel protests highlighted the anger on the ground, and he defended the decision of the party's 4 TDs and 24 councillors to attend the demonstrations.
Accusations of us blockading people in protest is totally and utterly wrong. We attended protests, we negotiated in protests, and that's what you do to bring peace and to bring a solution. And unfortunately, some people are angered by that because they stood idly by.
Are you saying to me that councillors from Fine Gael, councillors from Fianna Fáil that stood up at different protests, that they're all wrong as well?
Independent Ireland say their numbers have swelled, with people from other political parties getting in touch and jumping ship.
I believe in Independent Ireland, believe in it very much. I was a member of Fianna Fáil at one stage, but Fianna Fáil left me, I didn't leave Fianna Fáil.
I decided to join Independent Ireland because there's nobody giving voice to the concerns of ordinary Irish people. Workers across all strata are being shafted, I would say, and there's a government that's completely indifferent.
I grow up for Ireland, I love it. I just want it to work better.
Independent Ireland are running Councillor Noel Thomas in the forthcoming Galway West by-election. Theresa Mannion, RTE News, Galway.